In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos on the DeepSeek app. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once Google is loaded on your screen, type DeepSeek in the search bar. There are lots of results that might pop up, but focus on finding the official DeepSeek website to ensure you're navigating safely and securely. You should see it among the top results, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the DeepSeek homepage, you'll notice a few options at the top of the screen. Look to the upper right corner where you'll see the language selection menu. Click there and select English if it's not already set. This will make sure that everything is clear and easy to understand as you proceed through the next steps. Next, you'll want to find the option that says Start Now. Typically, this is designed to be prominent and easy to find on the site, so it shouldn't take long. Click on Start Now, and it will take you to the main interface of the app, where you can begin uploading your photos. Now, we're in the DeepSeek app's main interface. At this point, look for an attachment icon, a little symbol that usually resembles a paperclip. Clicking this will open up your device's file directory, which allows you to browse through all the files on your device. This can seem a bit daunting at first, but just stay focused on locating the folder where your photos are stored. When your file manager pops up, select Photo or Image from your device's files. After locating your image, select it and click Open. This action will upload the photo directly into the app. Once the image uploads, it will automatically appear in your chat session with the AI. Now comes the exciting part. You can interact with the AI about the image. Feel free to ask the AI to analyze it, extract some information, or any other queries you might have about the photo. If you're looking to dive into specifics, you can add a text prompt after the image. This is a great way to guide the AI more precisely to the task you have in mind. For example, if you want it to identify an object, simply type a prompt like, "Please identify the object in this photo." And there you have it. You've now successfully uploaded a photo on the DeepSeek app and learned how to interact with its AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.